And this is another one where he's got to watch that oil temperature and make sure it doesn't start to get too warm. Almost time to fly it out. Matt Chapman and the Embry-Riddle Eagle 580. Okay.
Major Green, myself, as well as our superb maintenance crew, will be happy to answer any questions you might have.
Through her wing roof cooling vents. The Japanese refer to this airplane as whistling death. The Marines called her the sweetheart of Okinawa. The What Corsair was universally acknowledged as the finest naval fighter of World War II. In its multiple roles of attack, air superiority, tactical support, all-weather interceptor, and even light bomber, it was unsurpassed. Give Dave Markle a wave and Sizzlin' Liz. Did you do that? Out here in front of us. He's a little bit, he's looking left and right, but he can't see in front of him. He has to lean out of the cockpit to see what's going on down the road. The Corsair was designed around the most powerful engine envisioned in 1938, the Pratt & Whitney R2800-4, the characteristic inverted gull wing. Was the design